So this point is actually a very secretive point. So you have to like come forward to hear this point. I don't want the elder sisters or the mothers to hear this point. Hello beautiful lady, welcome to the cooler side of the internet. My name is Ndukari if this is your first time seeing me. So today's video is all about how to start building or rebuilding your wardrobe from scratch. If you're on that journey of wanting to look good at every given time, because they say dress to be addressed, then this video is for you. So let's get into tip number 1 on how to start building that dream wardrobe of yours. So step number 1 on how to start building that wardrobe of yours is that before anything first, you want to know your body size. You want to know your body size. You also want to know your body shape. Yes, we all have different body sizes and different body shape. And then you also want to know your style in fashion, what you like, what you feel more comfortable in, what complements your body. So personally, I have a Pinterest board that I have like clothes that I like on models I've seen. I'm like, okay, this clothes looks nice. And then I just created a board and I pasted there. So after you've known your body size and your body shape, you would now go on Pinterest. This is now a way of knowing your fashion sense, your style, what catches your eyes when it comes to dressing. So you go on Pinterest, just look at those Pinterest girlies, those things on Pinterest. Just look at the styles of clothes there. If you see anyone that catches your eyes, if you see somebody wearing something, the way she dressed it, and you like it, you like that style, just put it on your board. After you do that, just go back on that board. Then that's another way of showing, that's another way you will know, okay, what you like when it comes to fashion. On the screen, you actually see my Pinterest board, my wardrobe, how I want to be dressed. So one thing you should take note that you should also look at the models, people that have your type of body and your type of size. You see things that complement them and then put them on your board. That's actually the first step, like having a vision, like having a visual representation of that wardrobe, of what you want to be in that wardrobe. This is the number 1 step, because you can never be anything without a vision. So we're going to use Pinterest to like create like a physical vision. Oh, this dress looks nice on this girl. I like it. She tends to have my body size. This silhouette looks so amazing on her. Just put it on that Pinterest board. So let's go into step number 2. So this step is where most of the things happen. This step is where you will get committed financially. You cannot say you love somebody and then you will not give money. You cannot say, oh, I want to build my wardrobe. To build a wardrobe is not just talk. Building your wardrobe is a verb, is an action word. So now you're going to look at your bank account. You're going to look at your income. How much do I make in a month? Or how much do I make in a day? And then you remove a particular amount of money that okay, this amount of money is going to go into buying clothes. If you make 50k a month, you can decide, okay, I want to use 10,000, I want to use 20,000 naira every month to buy something nice for myself. I know it may look small at the beginning, but then if you keep on doing that and you're consistent, in 1 year time, you just realize that, oh my God, I have all of these things. And always bear it in mind that it's always quality over quantity. Even if you use that, maybe that 10, 20,000 and just buy one thing, you keep it little by little. They said, drops of water makes an ocean. A journey of 1,000 miles would always start with 1 step. So you get committed, you remove an amount of money in a month or in a week that okay, this amount of money, I'm going to commit it into building this wardrobe. So this is the second step. So third step is learning to say no. I actually have a friend, this friend. Anytime she sees something nice on my body, oh, bucket, I like this. Adi, come and give me this. She has taken my jean. I only have one good jean. She has taken it. So if you don't learn to say no, I'm not saying be selfish, but when you're in the process of building your wardrobe, anytime you buy something and then somebody sees that thing on your body and then they're like, oh, they like it, and then they take it. At the end of the day, you realize that you're not moving forward. So this is the point whereby you will learn to say no. Come and give me this shirt. This shirt looks good on you. Say no, you cannot give them. Is it that you should also know that your body also deserves to wear something nice. Your body deserves to wear something good, not only the other person's body. So when they come to take your clothes from you, that your friend, this one is to that friend that always want to take it, that they see something nice on your body. They just want to take it. Tell the friend no, because if you don't say no, it just like, it would always be like you're taking one step forward and 2 steps backwards. Taking 1 step forward and 2 steps backward. So learn to say no. So step number 4, this is not really a step, but it's an option. You could incorporate thrifting into building your wardrobe. You can do maybe your new closet is 20% thrift, 80% brand new. Anyone, depending on your capacity, 80% thrift, 80% brand new. So thrifting is a very good option when it comes to building that wardrobe. Don't forget that Okrika gets grade. Okrika has grade. Just because I said thrifting, you now go and buy rubbish. I actually have a video on this channel where I talked about how to thrift like a pro. So you can watch the video after you finish watching this video if you're thinking of like exploring thrift when you start to build that wardrobe. You know, I've always said it's always quality over quantity. Even when it comes to thrifting, look for one quality item and buy it and go, instead of buying thousands of cheap things. Because if you buy cheap things, it will not last you 1 month, they're gone, you've wasted money. But if you buy one quality things, you can use it for years. You can even do hand-me-down to your children. Yes, if you buy something good and you take care of it, you can do hand-me-down to your children. So this point is actually a very secretive point. So you have to like come forward to hear this point. I don't want the elder sisters or the mothers to hear this point. So this point is one way to build your wardrobe is by going into your elder sister's wardrobe or your mother's wardrobe and take those stuffs. They are your right, they are your birthright. You did not ask to be born, but you were born. So it is your right to go into their wardrobe and just carry anything you like. And when you carry it, if it's too big, shape it. Even if your sister is a size 20 and you're a size 8, shape it. There's just this thing about elder sisters or mothers always having nice things that is always entering our eyes. When we go to the market, we don't get to see those kind of things. But then when they go to the market, they come back with things that are entering our eyes. So we have no choice but to go into their wardrobe and pack it. So this is one way, and this costs nothing. It's free. You don't have to have a money set aside. All you need to do is time them when they are not around. Use your 2 legs and go and take those things. And one way for them not to collect those things back from you, shape it to your size. And when you shape it, do not forget to cut the allowance. With that way, there's no going back. So thank you for watching to this point. I really appreciate you for the support. And at the time of doing this video, I'm currently in, I think 283 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you. I remember when I started YouTube channel, I was having no subscribers. From 1 subscriber, it grew to 20, and I am currently in 280, almost in 300. I'm really grateful. Just a stranger on the internet and you found my content worth the while and you subscribed and you've been faithful. So I just want to say thank you. I'll see you same time next week. Bye. Lights out.